Now, let's just think about buying the first house in Tamil Nadu. The dream is sweet, na? But the paperwork is a total nightmare. You burn a precious leave day standing, sweating in a crowded sub-registrar office. You're clutching a massive folder. Oh, and of course, how can we forget the deal with the middleman? Then you pay the shadow tax. Then, of course, there is this constant little subliminal subtext of the corruption wonderment, the glorious happy smiles that we have to constantly exchange while still knowing that the person you're talking to is wildly corrupt. Wow, the dream just became not so sweet, right? But what if we at Front Page told you that what I just described is no longer the case as of right now? Tamil Nadu has announced anywhere registration. It is live and scaling and is a mandatory rollout which is going to be hitting very soon. So what we can do actually now is we can forget the government office. Neither do you have to step foot inside an SRO again. Zero office visits. The brokers eliminated. The new system actually cuts them out completely. Wow, breath of fresh air. Here is, of course, what it looks like for all of us. We authenticate from our sofa by using our phones, scan our fingerprint or iris. The Aadhaar biometrics locks it in instantly. Now, once the government approves it, well, we all get a ping. Yes, a fully legal, digitally signed property document arrives in our WhatsApp. The government office gates never close. The servers operate 24/7, 365 days a year. If you want to register a first sale plot, a new flat, a Tamil Nadu housing board document, or a bank mortgage, well, you can do it on a Sunday night while streaming Netflix. Please do let us know in the comments below what were you streaming while you were doing that, of course. And now, of course, for what is making this mechanism work? Politics, as we do understand, usually plays out like a bad movie reboot. And I say that because, a new government comes into power, they trash the old guy's project, they slap their own brand on it, we waste years, waste tax money, and nothing really changes. We've seen this happen across the country, across the board. Tamil Nadu has decided to change that very old and run-down script. DMK built the foundation back in 2025. They actually coded star 3.0. They bought the servers. But the project never really took off because proposing an idea is easy. Executing it at scale, well, is a whole new ballgame. Enter now the TVK administration. They had a choice. They could have very easily trashed the project for just ego's sake or actually ship it for the people. Guess what TVK did? They chose the people. They pushed through the bureaucratic constraints and ensured the servers could actually take 1 million hits. They mandated the rollout. And here, of course, is the Front Page take. So DMK built the runway for sure. TVK fired up the engines. They actually have made it fly. So we usually mock our politicians, right? We all do it. We say they don't understand technology. We tend to complain they only care about the next election cycle. Well, what do you have to say about this play? I think it's quite interesting. It is mature governance. It is almost like a seamless continuity. They have stopped fighting over the credit. They've actually started focusing on the launch, which means they are more intrigued by what kind of an impact it will have on the population of the state, which is, I think, commendable. And of course, the ultimate winner then becomes you. You keep your leave days, you keep your sanity, and your money is saved because there is no corruption, hopefully. And the future of property registration is finally here. And it is residing right inside your phone. So say bye-bye to those sweaty, lonely days inside a registrar's office. My God, when I just said that, I got depressed. Anyway, please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM. And I believe, किसी की तो विजय हुई.